So credit card companies usually make money when you do not pay your bill in full every month. Like when you guys are not paying your full statement balance, because your statement balance and the balance you have on your credit card is two different numbers. If you guys do not pay your full statement balance, that's when a credit card companies is going to make money. And if you guys are pulling cash off of your card, you guys are charging a lot of money. They're charging a lot of money for that. So keep that in mind too. Do not go to the ATM and do cash advances and pull money off your card because they're charging you fees for that. They may charge an annual fee. And a lot of companies that work with people with bad credit, when they work with them, they're going to charge a lot of high fees. So definitely look out for these different fees. You guys can definitely see these fees. If they're going to charge an annual fee, you guys can most likely see it right on their website. So let me show you here. If a credit card company is going to charge you fees, then they'll let you know what that fee is before you even like apply for the credit card. So let's see. Usually the Quicksilver rewards have an annual fee. Yep, so their fee is $39. So like the Capital One Quicksilver One rewards, they're going to charge you a $39 annual fee. And then also the Venture rewards, they're going to charge you a $95 annual fee. And look, you guys, keeping the balance on your credit card, they're going to charge you the biggest fee of all, which is that high APR. A lot of people don't understand that if you look how much you're paying in interest, you probably won't use your credit card like that anymore. You probably won't. So make sure you guys are paying your full statement balance, because that statement balance is going to be more important. And if you guys haven't looked and see what a statement balance is, go ahead and get your statement, and then on there they'll say, hey, this is your statement balance and this is your balance. So make sure you guys are paying it in full so that they can't charge you interest paying that statement balance.